Welcome everybody. Today we are talking about BD Finance job circular. The job circular is for the position of Specialist Branding and Communication. Bangladesh Finance and Investment Company Limited BD Finance is the country's leading financial institution. Now the job key responsibilities are support the development and deployment, building strong relationship with the business, use insight and feedback to develop, support the delivery organizational change, responsible to write, develop contents, competitor and customer insights analysis, managing peer and activations, requirements, bachelor degree from public or private university, major in marketing, communications or finance, experience 3 to 4 years relevant experience, preferably in NBFI bank. Employment status full-time, salary negotiable, job location Dhaka. Benefits to festival bonus, leave fare assistance, leave encashment, Bangla Noboborsho allowance, provident fund, hospitalization, life insurance, mobile allowance, travel allowance, etc., transport allowance, etc. So if you want to apply in this position, attractive position, you are welcome. If you have the mind as to grow fast and building an inspiring career with BD Finance, please visit our website bdfinance.com.bd career section or apply through bdjobs.com on or before April 10, 2021. So if you want to apply, you can visit bdfinance.com.bd website or you can apply from bdjobs.com, and after going bdjobs.com you have to search for BD Finance, then you will get the link and you can apply it there. So that's all for today. See you soon on the next job circular. Thanks for watching.